سورة الفيل.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل؟
Have you not seen how your Lord dealt with the owners of the elephant?
ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل؟
Did he not make their plot go astray?
وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل.
And he sent against them birds in flocks,
ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل.
striking them with stones of baked clay,
فجعلهم كعصف مأكول.
and he made them like an empty field of stalks of which corn has been eaten.